How to remove an iPhone from an iCloud account. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. You can view and manage your personal information, sign in and security, payment and shipping, subscriptions and other account settings from here. On this page, scroll down to the end and tap on iPhone as shown. Here, you can view your device info such as the model, version, phone number, serial number, and more. You can also manage other phone settings like Find My iPhone, iCloud Backup, and Apple Care and Warranty. Now, go to iCloud Backup. iCloud Backup automatically backs up your iPhone so you can restore your data if you lose your device or get a new one. Here, scroll down to the All Device Backup section and tap on iPhone. Then, tap on Turn Off and Delete from iCloud at the bottom. Tap on Turn Off and Delete to confirm. This will turn off iCloud Backup for this iPhone and delete all its backups. Following these steps, you can easily remove an iPhone from an iCloud account.